These benchmade butterfly combs. I have to say, they're pretty okay, except for the locking mechanism on this one's kind of crappy. So, and then this one I've had for a while, but I just have it in a benchmade box because that's how I keep it. It's dull as hell. I got this at a flea market a couple weeks ago. It was pretty sharp when I got it, but I used it to carve sticks when we went camping. It's a pretty alright knife. It's a cheap one, but hey, it's better than nothing. I use it for show. And then this one I haven't even opened yet, so I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. The light bulb sucks. So there it is, and these things are pretty decent, good hair products. They're good trainers too. You can actually get these for your kids. I got this for $5. I got this one for $5. And then I got this for like $15 at a flea market. For $15. And I just had one of these laying around because I had a benchmade butterfly comb before and I lost it somewhere. So I'm going to go get my other knife and I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. I can squish my packaging. Here it is. It's a bit stiff. But basically the same thing. I mean, they feel pretty sturdy. They're good quality knives, or knife combs. So you won't have to worry about this breaking and flying out of your kid's hand. So yeah. I mean, they're good combs too, and they're good flippers for basic flipping. The only trick I really know right now is how to open it and turn it into reverse grip. I just freaking messed up. See, this is what these are good for. If you mess up, you're not going to cut yourself like you will with these. These are usually razor sharp when you get them. So yeah, that's what these are good for. Comb. I only know basic tricks. The latch on this one's pretty good. You have to actually squeeze to get it to come off, which I'm pretty good. So put that back in the box. And these are good for if you don't want your kids to have an actual blade. You can give them one of these. They can flip it and have a lot of fun with these. And also use it to comb their hair. So it for this video, guys. There will be a link in the description for where I got these off of. So, that's it for today. Peace.